It's funny, I can get him to do almost anything in this camera.
Hey guys, welcome back to Professional Weekers YouTube channel. Today we are on Royal Caribbean's Mariner of the Seas, and we have booked an interior promenade view room. So we're going to go around and give you a quick room tour. It's going to be a whole lot of fun, so stick around and check it out. Let's go.
Let's go. Alright guys, we are in room 7591, and here we go. Lewis already swiped his key card, I think. And as we enter, immediately to the left here, oops, we have a closet. Our luggage hasn't made it yet, but hopefully it will be here soon. We have a safe. We have our life vests. Have some hangers and some storage up top. Close these doors. Painting over, so this is where you come in and out. Painting over to the right, we have some hangers here. We have the light switch, and then this is a little cubby for the doorknob that goes into the bathroom. So here in the bathroom, some really pretty tile on the floor here. It's like a blue and a green and like a beige color. And we have a standard like circular type of shower here. We have the commode. We have some towel racks. We have a beautiful wraparound mirror. I thought the tile here was super cute. Had the little shells on it. A couple cups. I don't know how I feel about that yet. So, alright, so going back out of the bathroom. So the bathroom's here. We have a full-length mirror, which is nice. Hello. And then, painting over to the right here, we have some, what do you call those? Lamps, some bedside tables. I think this is a king-size bed. We have two couches, which I thought were really comfy. Well, not really that comfy either. I think this does convert into an actual bed though, but we're not going to be needing that. So then going back this way, I have this little like day bed area, but I think what I'm most excited about is this really cool like window. So we can see all kinds of cool things. Hopefully the disco lights will be going all night long, but it's kind of cool to see. Right there we've got the bamboo room, then we have this really cool dune buggy, and then there we have the jewelry shop. So hopefully it doesn't get too rowdy in here, but we'll find out. Alright, so from the daybed area, painting over to the right, we have this nice, like makeup mirror, desk sort of thing. Plenty of, well, not plenty, but some storage. Some storage there. A couple cubbies. Yeah, a couple cubbies on the bottom. I think this is a fridge right here, maybe? Yep, that is a fridge, which is nice. Somewhere on the other side. Various lighting switches here, which maybe, oh, alright, come on light. Pretty bright. And then we have a Lewis who's in the way.
Well, did you check that this doesn't fold out to anything, does it?
I don't think so. Oh, does it? Oh. Okay. I don't know about that then. Maybe that doesn't fold out. Maybe, I mean, maybe it's one of those things you're not supposed to lift it up, honey. I don't think that flips out. I thought it might, but maybe it doesn't. I don't think it does. Probably not big enough to be able to do that. I thought it might flip out, but I guess it doesn't. So, okay. And then back this way, we have the TV that we'll probably never use. And then some shelves, and then some drawers here. So, overall, not a huge room, but for a 9-day cruise, I don't hate it.
Yeah, it'll work.
Yeah.
You know, you don't really plan on spending a whole lot of time in your room anyways. You're going to be up on the sun deck and in the pool and that sort of thing.
Yeah. I thought, though, whenever I booked this was like the Oasis class ship. I forgot this wasn't an Oasis class ship. And I thought we were going to have like a balcony.
Yeah.
Yeah, so.
It'd be over the Central Park, but this ship is, I don't remember what they call the class of this ship, but it's the one before Oasis. So it's a little bit older.
Maybe it's a Symphony class. I don't remember exactly.
Yeah.
Maybe it's not. Well, it's not the Symphony of. It's just Mariner of the Seas. So I don't know what it is, but.
Yeah, so we don't have the Central Park. We got this promenade. The Oasis has both.
Yeah.
But actually, really, with the promenade though, it does help make the room not feel quite so small. Like, you know, we've stayed in interior cabins before without any views, and they do feel kind of claustrophobic.
Yeah.
But you know, this kind of gives you a little bit of a view. It'd be nice if this opened or something.
Yeah, but.
And they are playing some music out there, but it's really hard to hear.
Yeah, right. Yeah, I don't hear anything, which is nice.
You know, they got these blackout curtains too, which will help at nighttime because without those blackout curtains, it's a disco in here.
Turn off that light behind you, babe. That light. Yes, turn that off. Yeah, it's a little disco-y in here.
Turn the other one off.
Yeah, see, and it's reminiscent of the Star Wars hotel. Remember, with the lights. Oh my goodness, you just lit up purple, honey.
Yeah, no, there's. Well, did you see? There's actually a light right outside our window.
Oh, okay.
Like, look right there.
Oh, like literally, like right there.
And it shines right into our window.
Oh, how nice. Wait, purple's our favorite color. So, hello. All right. So, hopefully over the next couple of days we will get to tell you some of the quirks and fun things or not so fun things about this room. But yeah, we're excited to be here.
All right.
Cool.
Is there under bed storage?
That's a great question. I'm not sure. Oh, and you gotta test the bed out and tell me if it's comfy. Oh my goodness. Okay. You gotta hop on the bed and tell me if it's comfy.
Alright.
You might be too tall for it, honey.
Ooh. It's an old mattress. it's a spring style. It's alright.
Honey, your toes are hanging off the bed.
My toes hang off the bed and everything?
Is there storage underneath there? I think there might be. Oh, there's more pillows and blankets.
There's extra blankets and stuff.
Oh, okay. Well.
Yeah, there's some storage under there, though. You could slide your stuff in there.
Alright, guys, without being too super creepy, one thing I will say about this room is it's very, quaint, but just be aware. You can see literally everything that the people across the way are doing. So just be mindful if you are changing. Make sure your blinds are closed. Yeah. Alright, so things I can see from my interior window. I see a giant, we're going to call it a trapezoidal figure. And Lewis can confirm if that's in fact a trapezoid. Global, what is it? Those metal or plastic things, the balls that you expand, that's kind of what it looks like a Kinectix kind of thing. Anyway, I see some shards of teeth up top. I see the bamboo room, which I'm excited to go check out. Hopefully they have some mocktails there. I see an orange dune buggy with a surfboard, a bear, and what looks like to be a pretty upset elephant. And then I see the regalia store, the jewelry and watches. Maybe we can talk Lewis into taking something out there. It'd be kind of fun. And then, you guys really can't see it, but right underneath me is another table. So, yeah, pretty quiet. I hear a little bit of the music, but not enough to be obnoxious. So, pretty excited about this room. So we are on deck 7. So the promenade is on deck 5. 6, 7, 8. Our stateroom's right here. So yeah, should be a good time. I got crazy pants. It's funny, I can get him to do almost anything in this camera. Alright, let's go. And that room right there is ours. So yeah, good times. Alright guys, so without fail, we are on our way leaving, and there's some dolphins right there. How cool. I'm telling you, we see them almost every single time we get out in the water. That's awesome.
I think the only time we didn't see them was down in the Keys.
Yeah. But funnily enough, we saw a lot of other things down in the Keys, like sharks and everything else. I'll go ahead and link the video down below for you guys to check out when we jet ski out to Alligator Reef. Alright guys, so here we are. We are on the port side of the ship. And we are now underway. So, there's Port Canaveral, the inlet from Port Canaveral. We are off. So, gonna be a fun 9 days, right babe?
Yep. I'm looking at NASA right now. You see that vehicle assembly building?
Yeah, so real quick, that little square building, and it's not little, but from here, that little square building all the way out there, that is the vehicle assembly building for NASA. And I'll link the video down below of the last time we went to Kennedy Space Center. That was a fun time. We hope to get back pretty soon to see another rocket launch. So, hey honey, I know what I want for my next birthday. That boat, that little white boat right there. That little yacht.
Okay, you take that one, I'll take this one.
Alright, sold. Alright guys, so now that we have settled sorta kinda in the room, at least our bags have all made it, we've noticed there are no plugs by the bed. So, fun fact, Maybe charge your phone somewhere else.
Yeah. Well, and also too, now that we've got our luggage in here, this room feels really small.
Yeah.
Granted, we have a lot of luggage, but it's a 9-day cruise, which is why we have so much.
Right. So, all right. Maybe we'll unpack a little bit, see what we can reconfigure, and let you guys know how that goes. All right, day 3. What did you just realize?
We have new developments outside the window. The big dome connects thing. I didn't think it moved, but it did, apparently.
Yeah.
Now it's collapsed.
Yeah, that's what I'll show you.
I figured it was just like something, you know, big that they put in here, you know, that was easy to get on the ship, and it looks halfway decent.
Yeah, but I guess it does. It does accordion. Accordions. Meow.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're getting here. You're not getting here. Collapses. Meow. Like that. It was
like what?
Be quiet. I knew exactly what it was. It was like those, you know, like those kids' plastic balls, right? The globe things. It's kind of what it reminds me of.
Right, that's what I thought it was too.
Yeah. Bye. So I'm calling him Grumpy Elephant.
I think it's the same. It's the same eyes that we had on the last guy.
I know, it's the same as we had the same last 2 guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's got a whole roll of eyes, but
maybe they're rationing eyes, or maybe she feels those are the eyes that represent us the best.
Is that so?
Yeah.
Maybe you, because you're sleepy.
I'm dying tired. I'm telling you.
I can't tell if those eyes are like stoned or grumpy.
I'm gonna go Grumpy. Comment down below. Grumpy eyes or other eyes. I will say, there's some very nice art. I think our favorite one so far has been this one. That was cool.
2,000 years later.
Alright guys, so here's your pro tips for a promenade view cabin on Mariner of the Seas. I'd say number 1 is this is a fairly old ship, and there's not a whole lot of power outlets within the ship, and definitely there are none near the bed. So nowadays everybody charges their phone near the bed. They use their phone as their alarm clock. You're definitely going to want to bring an extension cord, preferably a power strip, something like this, with a very long extension to it, maybe 10 feet or more, to be able to reach from the end of the bed all the way to the head of the bed, so you can plug in your phone and your other electronic devices. And pro tip number 2 is, it may seem obvious, but how to use the shower. It took me a good 2 or 3 days before I understood how to fully use the shower. There are 2 knobs on either side, and both have buttons. The knob on the left turns it on and off, and then if you push the button, it allows you to get higher pressure. The knob on the right adjusts the temperature, and if you push the button, it allows you to get higher temperature. So if you're like me and you like a high pressure, high temperature shower, you're going to want to use both those buttons to adjust the shower head. And pro tip number 3 is, while it is nice having the promenade view, it does make the room feel a little less claustrophobic. Do just be aware that they do sometimes host events down there on the promenade. So I think on our 8-night cruise, there was about 3 different nights that they hosted different dance parties and such down there, where the music was quite loud until about 9:30 or 10 o'clock at night. So if you're an early to bed type of person, just kind of be aware of that you may hear some music until about 10 o'clock at night or so. So that music's not too bad. It didn't really keep us up, but it was there. Alright, and that's going to do it for us today. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe. Let us know what you think of this cabin in the comments below. Have you stayed in any other rooms on Mariner of the Seas? With that being said, we're out of here, so we'll see you next weekend. Kind of fix the stuff back up again.
I just fixed the things. Alright, you can make it look nice and pretty. Go ahead. How do you feel about the room?
Yeah, it's small, but yeah, it's a cruise ship. What do you expect? Let me grab that extension cord.
Alright guys, so now that we've kind of settled, now that we have saddled, take 2. Bye, Grumpy Elephant. Bye, room. Oh. I don't like when vacation's over. Alright guys, so whoops.
And we have booked a interior promenade view room. Is that right?
Sure.
Interior
promenade
view room.
Yeah.
All right.
What you want to do? Scoot to the left a little. Alright, so yeah, you're right. That's good. And you want to sit here? You want to sit here with this behind you? Do your pro tips.
Okay.
That's probably better. I don't even makeup on. What's so up? Go.
You ready?